for our ongoing class. We're working on a solo for It's Only a Paper Moon. And we're in the key of G. And what we did together as a class, we figured out what the melody line is, and we did it by singing it. La 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 la. That's the part we're aiming on. The rest of the solo we're going to be improvising. So this is going to be the chord melody part. La 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 la. So we discovered it's a D. La 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 C. B, A. We did this by ear. La 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 la. And then we were talking about, okay, how do we connect a chord with each of these notes? And which route do we want to take? Do we want to make it a little easier to grab? Do we want to make it a little more interesting harmonically? So we have choices. We found our G chord up here. And using this rhythmic technique of doing a chord melody, I was doing la 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 la, as if I'm singing, say it's only, and then to simplify things, I'm just using a C chord, paper moon. So I'm strumming across all four strings, and I'm hitting the melody line, which is a C, B, A. Let's try that. 2, 3, 4. Again, 2, 3, 4. And this business, da, 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 da. Mess with it, you know, as long as you're staying in the pocket. La, 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 la. See, I did it a little bit different there, but I stayed in the pocket. So that's one technique. Another technique for doing this is to do a block chord. Remember, we want to get that harmony in there. So I'm doing a block chord where I'm finger picking all four notes at the same time on this G chord. And then the rest of the measure is going to be a single note. Da, 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 da. So I'm on that A string, and I'm using my ring finger because I'm in this finger picking position that works for me. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Let's try that together. 2, 3, 4. Now we are fudging the chords following that G. The chords in the arrangement here should be an A minor and a D7. We're fudging a little bit. So what if you don't want to fudge? Let's see what happens. Here's our G. Make an A minor and a D7. You see? So it's a little bit closer to the intention of the chords. But you get to decide what works for you. Let's do that again. 2, 3, 4. And we can do that with that rhythmic thing too. 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. 2, 3, 4. And then next week we'll talk about the rest of the solo.